girls and boys. My name is Teacher Jeremy and I am from the Learning Connections. Now, welcome to TLC's Pop-Up Drama Classroom. Now, today we are going to be having lots of fun. We're going to be moving our arms, we're going to be moving our legs, we're going to be moving our bodies for drama class today. Now, before we get going, I would like to teach you my favorite hello song, and it's TLC's most favorite song as well. So, are you ready? Okay, so first, I want all of you to show me your hands like that, and we're going to wave it side to side and side to side. Now, I'm going to be singing the song, and all you have to do is do the actions with me. Ready? Very nice. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Hello, 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 hello. There's a place that we can go. We can solve a mystery, sing a song and climb a tree. Adventures we can have all day. Now it's time for us to say hello, 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 hello. You're my friend and this I know. I'm for you and you're for me. With a little T and L and C. Very nice. Now, today we are going to be moving around like different animals. But before we do that, we just want to do a very quick warm-up with all of you, okay? So find an empty space and you're going to stand up and you're going to stretch out one arm over here and we are going to count to the number 8. And we're going to shake our arms accordingly 8 times. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very nice. The other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Now we are going to do it 4 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. And now we're going to do it 2 times. Ready? 1, 2. And 1, 2. Very good. And now we're going to do it once. Ready? 1. And change arms. 1. Very good. And now we're going to shake our body all over, including your legs. Ready? And shake and freeze. And shake and freeze. Very nice. Now we are going to do it 8 times from the beginning again, and we are going to do it much faster. Are you ready? Very nice. Let's try again. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many times? 2 times. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 1 time. 1. And freeze. Very good, everybody. Are you all warmed up? I'm definitely warmed up and ready to go. Now, today for drama class, we are going to be moving around like different animals. Now, what animals do you think we can move around like? Today, I want to move like my favorite animal. Now, this animal has a long trunk and he has a very loud stomp. And he stomps like this. Boom, boom, boom. And boom, boom, boom. Now we are going to move like an elephant. Very good. So ready? Boom, boom, boom. And one more time. Boom, boom, boom. Very good. Next, we are going to move like a bird. And we're going to flap our wings all around. And we're going to fly around majestically like a bird. Just like this. Very nice. Now, what other animals can we move? We can move like a slow tortoise. Now, everyone, let's imagine we have a very heavy shell, okay? So we're going to move as slowly as we can and go. Are you moving as slowly as you can? Okay, we're going to try again. Ready? Move. Move. Very good. Now we can move like all these animals. And today I want to show you a magical creature, a magical animal that all of us in Singapore know of. Now, can you guess what animal this is? Now, I'll give you a clue. This animal has the head of a lion. This animal has the body of a fish. Now, do you know what animal it is? You don't or you do? Okay, now to make sure that we know what animal we're talking about, I'm going to show you what animal it is. So everyone, let's close our eyes. And I'm going to show it to you in 3, 2, 1. Open the eyes. Look at this animal. Now look over here. Now can you tell me what animal this looks like? Remember I said just now, this animal has the head of a lion. Very good. And this animal has the body of a fish. Very nice. Now, how do you think a lion would move? Now, I think a lion has sharp claws just like these. Can I see all your sharp claws? Ready? Roar, roar, roar. Very nice. Now, how do you think the fish would move? Over here. Now, look at the tail. Look at the tail, everyone. Now, a fish with the tail like that can move really, really fast in the water because of how fast he can move its tail. Now, how do you think the fish would move? I think he would move like this. Swish, swash, swish, swash, swish, swash. Swish, swash, swish, swash, swish, swash. Very nice. Now, let's see the picture again. We've moved like a lion. And we've also moved like a fish. What if we could combine the two animals together and move like both of them? Wow. Now, how do you think the Merlion would move? Now, on top, the Merlion might have sharp claws like that, and the Merlion might go roar, roar, roar. At the bottom, at his tail, he might go swish, swash, swish, swash. Can we all try that together? So everyone, I want you to try standing just like this on your feet. So your feet, this is your feet, it's going to point outwards like that. Okay? And you are going to try moving it just like that. And you're going to move side to side and side to side, and you're going to swim all around. So you're going to swim like this, side to side and side to side. And on top, you're going to go roar, 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 roar. Now, do you think that's how a Merlion would move? Maybe that's how a Merlion would move. Now, if you think the Merlion would move like in another way, you can try moving as well. Now, today, I'm going to show you pictures of different animals that we can find in our nature reserves if we open up our eyes. So, you ready? And here we go. I'm going to show you another animal. Look at this. It's the common myna. Now, you might have seen this bird around maybe outside your house or sometimes at the hawker centers. How would this bird move? This bird is really, really fast, and he sort of kind of like jumps and jumps and jumps and jumps, and he flaps his wing like that. What other animals can we see? Have you seen this before? The rhinoceros hornbill. Wow, look at its big, majestic wings. Wow, this bird looks very different from the myna. Which animal do you think is bigger? I think the rhinoceros hornbill is bigger. Look over here. Now, what animal do you think this is? It's the squirrel, and it goes like this. Squeak, 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 squeak. What other animals can we see? Let's all try moving like a snake. Ready? Very nice. A long-tailed macaw. A wild boar. Now, wild boars, they're really, really big, and they go like this. Oink, 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 oink. Very nice. A pangolin as well. Look at the pangolin. Now, do you know that a pangolin can turn itself into a ball? So if it curls up together, if its head touches its tail, it looks sort of like a ball. A red-eared slider or a terrapin. Now look at the picture. Where do you think on the terrapin's body is red in color? On its little feet? On its shell? On its nose? How about over here at its ear? Maybe that's why it's called a red-eared slider. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. A copper-cheeked frog that hops and hops and hops around. A six-banded tiger barb, a fish that goes swish, swash, swish, swash. And a dancing seahorse that goes like this and like this. And that's all the animals that I have for you. Now, I think you can go and find more animals that we can look out for in Singapore. Now, before we finish drama class, let's explore moving as some of these animals, shall we? Now, let's try moving like maybe a fish. Now, a fish is really, really small and it goes like this. Swish, swash, swish, swash. Let's move like a seahorse. Now, how would a seahorse and a frog move? Now, if we combine the seahorse and if we combine a frog, how would it move? Now, let's all imagine that we have the head of a seahorse and the body of a frog. Now, the seahorse, they would dance around just like this. And how would the frog move? The frog would hop and hop and hop around. Now, why don't we try hopping with our legs and dancing with our arms? Okay, ready? It's gonna be a challenge. 3, 2, 1, and we're gonna hop and we're gonna dance and hop and dance and hop and dance. Very nice. Now let's see what other animals we can be. Let's try maybe a terrapin that moves slowly and a monkey. Now, what if we tried moving around like a slow monkey with a heavy shell? So our monkey is going to pretend like it has a heavy shell at the back. Ready? So it's going to go Now, normally monkeys, they would move really fast and they would swing from tree to tree and jump up and down. But our monkey is special. Our monkey has a heavy shell, just like a terrapin's. It's going to be really slowly because of its heavy shell. Very nice. Now, let's see what other animals we can be, shall we? Let's move like a snake together with a bird. Now, what if our snake has wings? How would that move? Now, imagine you're a slithering snake with wings. How would you slither around with wings? And you're gonna fly up with your body ready? Now our snake has wings as well, don't forget. And we're gonna flap and flap and flap. And we're gonna slither and slither and slither. Now, I've showed you different ways that you can move around like an animal. Now, why don't you go and explore further, choose two animals that you would like to combine together and take a video and show us how your special animal would move like. And thank you so much, boys and girls, for tuning in today to TLC's Drama Pop-Up Classroom. And here's Teacher Jeremy saying to all of you, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay curious, everybody. Bye!